Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to auto-delete your web and apps activity from Google without any stress. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to click on settings from your phone. Then you have to make sure you scroll down all the way down to Google. So click on Google right here. Phone. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to data and privacy. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. And what you need to do here is to simply click on web and app activity. Click on that. It's going to take you here. So the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have to make sure you click on manage web and app activity. Click on that. It's going to take you to activity controls. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have to navigate to choose auto delete option. So click on that. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you select auto delete. Then you have to click on here to choose how long you want Google to delete the activity. You can put it in 3 months. Once you select on the actual month, next thing you want to do is to simply click on next. Confirm your preference to auto delete activity older than 3 months. So you can simply click on review more. Okay, next thing you want to do is to simply click on confirm. So just like so, your preference saved. So basically, this is how to auto delete your web and apps activity from Google Play Store. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.